Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my 3 favorite magic effects course, bundle, online training, virtual workshop, whatever you want to call this. I am very excited that each and every one of you are here to learn these 3 effects with me. Now, in these videos, I'm going to show you more than just the 3 effects. See, over the last few months, many months actually, I put together everything that you need to accomplish these effects, and they are in the bundle, and inside is everything that you're going to need to perform these effects, plus all the bonuses. We're going to talk about the performing aspects, the theory behind them, not to mention a few extra bonus ideas that I just wanted to share here with you. There's going to be a lot covered in these. We're going to break it up into 3 sections. Now, the first section is going to be all on the bill switch, the mismade bill, my absolute favorite effect in probably all of Magic. If you ask me, Alex, pick one effect that you could do for the rest of your life. It can't be a card trick or something like this. Or actually, this even might rank higher than a card trick. I would probably pick the mismade bill, and I've been asked this question many times, and the mismade bill effect popped up in my mind more than the rest. So we're going to show you how to perform the mismade bill effect, but not only that, because I realize that you might want to take that a little bit further. We're going to show you 2 extra bonus routines with a bill switch. So we're going to also show you a bill switch to use for this effect. We're going to show you an easy version, a self-working version, basically the different kind of switches between bills, and that's going to be section number 1. Now for that section, I know what you're wondering. You're like, Alex, but maybe I don't live in the US where we don't use your devalued US dollar. Don't worry, we got you covered. We have a very cool little bonus that you can use a bill switch for. In fact, that I think you're going to like, that does not involve the mismade bill, but we will also show you how to use the mismade bill even if you're outside of the US, because I travel a lot and I haven't been in the US for quite some time, but I still do this every so often. But you just have to change up the performance, what you say, to make it make sense, and I think you'll be fine. So that is section number 1. Section number 1 is going to be the bill and the routines that go along with the bill switch aspect of this whole thing. Section number 2, we are going to go over a gimmick that we released on the Blue Crown many years ago, probably close to, I'd say 7, 8, 9 years ago, probably at this point. And it's a gimmick that is similar to the very famous Scotch and Soda gimmick. So if you know Scotch and Soda, or the even more popular probably Diamond Penny, when we're all starting out in Magic, we get the little Diamond Penny gimmick. It is based off of that, but what we've done is we've taken that sort of concept and we've made it into a US quarter and a regular penny. So that gimmick has a lot of routines that we're going to go over and show you how to use it, and I think you're going to have fun with that. That includes one of my favorite routines of all time that uses this gimmick, which is a way for the spectator to bend a coin in their hand and you bend another coin in your hand. So simultaneously you bend the coins, and usually what you would do is have a coin, switch it for a bent quarter or something, or use one of the bent gimmicks to bend a signed quarter. But in any case, you would switch it in and out, right? And you would bend the coin, right? Or switch it and give it to the spectator. And this is cool because for the spectator side, there's no switching that is involved. They get the coins in their hands and you do the magic and they squeeze it tight and they do it and they bend the penny, which is a really nice effect. Now moving on to section number 3, this is the card section of this course, and the card section involves a deck of cards that basically performs miracles if you know how to use it correctly. And you can create absolute miracles that have fooled magicians for the last 20 years. Now, throughout my years lecturing, I used to perform this effect and fool literally everybody in the room. It is a self-working effect. If you could spread a deck of cards, you can do this effect. And we're going to take you through every single detail, plus some bonus effects. All you need is your deck of cards, and you have a matching knock deck. You should be ready to go. Now, of course, we're going to go into the performance aspect, how I perform them. But really, it's about giving you the tools, all the options necessary so you can go ahead, take it, make it your own, and make it fit your style and make it as magical as possible. That is the point of all the sort of stuff that I do. I want to really just give you the tools, the confidence, and the knowledge, at least from my experience, and then you could go ahead, take that, make your notes, practice on your friends, your family, go out, test it out, and I am sure you will have a very good time fooling the pants off of everybody with these 3 effects, plus more. There's more effects than 3, so come on back and let's get started with all of it right now.